I'm about to do my third rug here at this house. You can see it looks great. These all came out beautifully. White rugs are polyester fiber, so they can't be stained. But their dog has done a little bit of a number on it. Let's see. So this is that long fiber carpet. In the past, I've had trouble getting all the stain to come out, but this time I used the CRB after I pre-sprayed, and everything came out without an issue. I didn't have to put any post-stain treatment or anything this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray this, pre-agitate it, and show you how it goes. So I'm shutting my pump off. Some guys leave the pumps on when not in use. I don't like to. I don't know if it'll harm it, but I just don't want the pump building up extreme pressure, especially when I'm not using it. I know they've got things in there to prevent that, but okay. You see it's already disappearing. If the cleaner gets in there and starts working into it. Okay, so as you can see, the pre-agitation is done. Spots are still there, but very light. So now we're going to go over them with the scrub wand, and there's no way I could film. This thing has such good suction. I can't hold it. I need two hands to operate, so I'll clean it all and then show you the after. Yep, I'm trying to film for you. That ain't gonna happen with one hand. It's all finished here. We can do a final walkthrough real quick. And it came out really good. I've never had those rugs look that good before. I'm letting them dry here a little bit, and look how white they are now. Snow white. Came out very good. This is a long-term client. Been doing her the rugs here for years for her. Now, first thing I cleaned, I believe it may have been this couch. First time I ever cleaned a couch like that. What do you call it? My brain's not working right now, but did it all by hand. Came out amazing. Well, this rug looks great. And yeah, another job done good. Another happy client. Be on to my next one. Thanks for watching.